Every journey begins with the first step. At Bright Kids, we turn that step into a leap towards a brighter future. We offer a range of school readiness programs designed for each unique stage of early childhood development, ensuring your little ones get the best start in their learning journey. For our youngest learners, age 1, we introduce stimulating activities that nurture brain growth and sensory development. For toddlers, age 2, we focus on developing speech, socialization, and motor skills. For our 3 years old, we provide the best preparation for nursery school. Your child will grow academically, socially, and emotionally with a focus on early reading and writing while fostering new friendships. Here's a sneak peek at what your child will do every day. At Bright Kids, we thoughtfully design our programs to balance play and learning. Our classrooms are designed to spark curiosity and creativity while building essential skills for school and for life. We all want what's best for our children. At Bright Kids, we have 16 years of proven success through a holistic curriculum that nurtures our students to become well-rounded achievers. Here, we prioritize small class sizes for personalized attention in a safe, nurturing space where your child can thrive. Communication is key. Whether it's a quick check-in or a deeper conversation, we're always here to support you and your child. With 16 years of experience, we've helped children grow academically, emotionally, and socially, preparing them for school and eventually for life. Education is the first step, but at Bright Kids, we go beyond. Give your child the best start in life with Bright Kids school readiness programs today.